Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2A 2B simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow. And you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Let's start our training to solve it step by step. Question one is that select column C to D and then insert two columns. Okay, right click on the insert column. Okay, in cell C11 tab 13 1 to 9. Okay, then home tab in the editing group fill header to click flash fill. Okay, click on home tab and then go to the flash fill. Go to the fill and go to the flash fill. This is done now. In the 11 tab OAK. Okay, tab OAK. Okay, select cell D11 and then press Ctrl plus E to fill the values in the column. Select cell D11 and then press Ctrl plus E to fill the value. Ctrl plus E. Okay, delete column B. Right click on column B and delete it. Okay, question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Select column C on the home tab, click cut, click set H1 and then click paste. Select column C, right click on this or you can click on cut and then click on cell H1 and paste here. Delete column C from sheet 1, right click on this and delete it. Right click on this and delete it simply. Okay, select column A to G in cells group. Click format and click auto fit column A. Okay, go to the format tab. Okay, first we select this range and then go to the format tab and then select auto fit with column. Margin center the range if 1 to H1. First we select this range A1 to H1 and then margin center. Okay, apply title style to the range A1 to H1. Okay, this is done now. Click cell B4 on the formula tab and the functions library group. Click auto sum tab A1 to A11 to A39 and then press enter. First we select this range and click on cell B4. Tab A1 to A11 then press enter is equal to sum then A11 to A39. Sum formula function sum and 39 39 A11 to A39. I type wrong, sorry. First we press is equal to click on auto sum. Okay, then enter A11 to A39. Then press enter. Okay. Click cell B5 on the formula tab in the function library group. Click more function point to statistical. Click average tab D11 to D19, D39. Click on cell B5 and then click on more function and click on statics and average. Okay, number is that D11 and number 2 is that D39. Number 1 is D11 to D39. Okay, this is done now. Question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Click cell B6 in the function library group. Click more function. Display the list of statistical functions. Scroll down and then click median tab D11 to D39 and click OK. Click on more function. Click on statistical Okay, statistical function and then click median. Okay, number one is that D11 to D39 and then click OK. This is done now. Okay, in cell B7 insert a function that will display the lowest radical price of the range D11 to D39. Click on cell D7, B7. Click on cell B7. Insert a function that will display the lowest radical price for the range D11 to D39. Main function on D11 to D39. Okay, in cell B8 insert a function that will display the highest radical price for the range D11 to D39. Click on cell maximum function D11 to D39. Select the range A4 to B8 and then drag into the D4 to E8. First we select this range A4 to B8 and then drag it into D4 to E8. Okay, and then drag D4 to E. First we select this range A4 to B8 and drag it to D4 to E8. Okay, select the range C4 to C8, right click of the selection, click format cells, click the alignment tab and then okay, select the range A4 to B4 and then drag into D4 to E8. Okay, copy and then paste here. Okay, select column D to E and then autofill the selected column. First we select this column D to E and then auto fit the selected columns. Okay, go to format tab, then select auto fit columns with. Okay, select the range D4 to E8 and then on the home tab in the style group click cell style and apply 20% as advanced cell style. First we select this range and then in the home tab and the style group go to the cell style and then you can select this 20% as advanced cell style. 20% as advanced cell style. Okay, question is done now. Now moving on next question. Select the range C4 to C8. Right click the selection. Click format cells. Click the alignment tab. Okay. First you select this range. Degree value to 30 degree. Okay. Click on alignment and orientation change the degree value to 30 degree and click OK. You can change your degree value. Okay, 30, okay, 20, 26, 29, 20, and 30, then press OK. Okay, insert 3 blank rows before row 9. Insert 3 blank rows before row 9. Right click on this and insert row and then right click on this on row 8 and then insert rows and click on row 7 and right click on this and insert. Okay, 3 rows will be inserted. Select row 9 to 11 on the home tab and dating group. Click clear and then click clear formats. You can select this row 9 to 11. Go to the find and clear. Go to home tab and click on clear formats. Okay, this is done now. Question is completely done. Now moving on next question. In cell 10 tab oak trees. Click on cell 10. Okay, then tab oak trees. O capital and A small and then T capital or WS. Okay. Okay. O3 is okay with shall be done active on the formula tab in the function library group. More function point to statics and then count a function the range box to see. Okay, click on shall be done and then go to more function and then statical and then more function. Okay, then count a function. The range is that G14 to G42. Okay, range is G14 to G42 and then in criteria box tab OAK then click OK. Change the alignment of cell B10 to align left. Click on cell B10 and alignment is left. This is done now. Next question is cell H14 on the formula tab in the function library group. Click logical and then click if in the logical test box tab A14 less than 75 then press tab. In the value if true box tab order. Okay. Click H14, click on logical function, if function, logical test is that A14 less than 74 less than 74 and values if true order and then value if false. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, fill the formula H14 down the H15 to H42. Fill the formula in H14 down to H15 to H42. Scroll down. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is that with the range H14 to H22 selected on home tab style group, conditional formatting point to the highlight cell roots. First we select this range H14 to H42 selected. Okay, on the home tab the style group click conditional formatting. Okay, you can select first this range. Okay, H14 to H30 H42. Then click on home tab. Then go to the conditional formatting. Okay, text. Okay, text that contain order. Then custom format is that apply the formatting bold italic and change the font size in the last column. Click the first color fill tab and then change the background color to no color. Okay, bold and italic and change the font color in the last column and no color, background no color. Then press OK. Select the range A14 to A42 in the comma and the style group. Click conditional formatting point to data bars and then under gradient fill click orange data bar. Okay, so first we select this range, go to the home tab and then click on conditional bar. Conditional formatting, first we select this range. Okay, you can select this range and click on home tab and then go to the conditional formatting, then data bars. Okay, click on data bar and then orange data bar, select orange data bar. This is done now. Question is completely done. Now moving on next question. Select the range F14 to F42 on the home tab in the editing group. Click and find selected, then click replace. Okay, erosion, replace with them erosion control. Okay, first we will select this range and then go to the find and select. Okay, then find, go to replace, First is find is that Erosians, then press tab and then replace with erosion control. Erosion control and then erosion control. Okay, then replace all. Then press OK. This is done. Okay, I have done 12 questions of this simulation. For remaining question or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. You can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.